the sum of products form multiple inputs are combined together as sum to generate a single output. Here we can see A and B are variables or literals. So we are combining different variations of the literals A and B to generate a single output F. This is known as a Boolean function representation. If all the possible combinations are grouped together, then such product terms which contains all the variables or literals in either complemented form such as A bar B bar or uncomplemented form such as AB are known as minterms. Next, we will see what is canonical sum of products. Canonical sum of products is simply the sum of all possible minterms. Here, for example, we can see a simple SOP form is a reduced Boolean expression. But a standard SOP form or canonical SOP, or it is also known as disjunctive canonical form, can be expressed in all possible minterms. For example, if we see there is a 3 variable Boolean function, then it will generate 8 number of minterms. Similarly, for 4 variable function, we will generate 2 to the power 4 equals to 16 minterms. So we can summarize with a question. So here it is given f of AB is equals to A bar plus B bar. So we can simply rewrite it as A bar dot 1 and B bar dot 1 because we know from Boolean algebra that A into 1 is equals to A itself. Then we can express 1 as the missing literals in both complemented and uncomplemented form. That is A plus A bar equals to 1. So A bar into B plus B bar plus B bar into A plus A bar will give all the possible literals. Then we will reduce the like terms because A plus A generates A. And hence we get the possible minterms, which is 0, 1 and 2. If there are questions such as f of m 0, 1 and 2 is given in the question, then by using the truth table, we can write we will put 0 across all the missing minterms, and all the minterms that have been given in the question, we will be putting it as 1, and we will be able to get back this expression. Hence, even by obtaining the minterm equation, we will be able to form the Boolean expression. Thank you.